a gift from God above. The marvelous Lord of light, with him there is no shadow or night. Freedom is the key to unlock the door to you and me. He made a way for you and me through Jesus, who on Calvary died on a tree. But 3 days later he rose again, after taking the punishment for yours and my sin. Freedom is a gift from God above, revealing his